everybody, Mrs. Keenan here. Welcome back to a new week of our transition home learning. So this is day 6 now for Edinburgh 1 class. And today we're going to have a look at some information about keeping safe in the sun. Fingers crossed for lots of sunshine this summer so we can all get out and enjoy the fresh air. When we're out in the sun, however, we do need to take care of ourselves. Last week we read about some of the dangers of the sun. This week, we're going to use what we know to create a sun safety poster. Let's remind ourselves about keeping safe in the sun. The sun gives off different types of energy. Invisible infrared radiation, which makes us feel warm. Visible light, which we can see. Ultraviolet radiation, which we can't see or feel on our skin, but can damage our skin if we get too much of it. Being outside in the sunshine can be great fun, but because of the damage UV rays can do, we need to make sure that we protect our skin from the sun. If you've got fair skin or moles and freckles, you'll need to take extra care to protect your skin. Spending too much time in the sun can be harmful. We should all follow a special code which reminds us how to enjoy the sun while staying safe. Be smart. There are 5 parts to remember. S. Spend time in the shade between 11 and 3. M. Make sure you never burn. A. Aim to cover up with a hat, t-shirt and sunglasses. R. Remember, children need to take extra care. Children's skin is much more delicate than adult skin. T. Then use sun cream of a minimum of SPF 30. So let's have a look at each of those a little bit more, which might give you some ideas for your sun safety poster. So spend time in the shade between 11 and 3. Think about places you can find shade, under trees, canopies, umbrellas, or just by staying indoors. Make sure you never burn. It's easy to get sunburn, even when you're not expecting to. It's very important to avoid burning your skin. And because you can't feel the UV rays, it's easy to forget that they're there sometimes. Remember, you can still burn on a cloudy day. Aim to cover up with a t-shirt, hat and sunglasses. These are some really good ways to keep yourself safe in the sun. Make sure your hat has a wide brim so that it shades your face and your neck. Sunglasses will help protect your eyes from UV rays. And covering up with a t-shirt is a good way to protect your shoulders and upper arms. Those bits tend to burn much more easily. Remember, children need extra care. Young skin's very delicate and easily damaged by the sun. Make sure you take extra care when you're playing outside or if you're swimming outside, and that includes when you're playing in your paddling pools. If you have younger brothers or sisters, make sure they are protected from the sun too. And when you are outside in the sunshine, sometimes shade and clothing won't be enough. You need your sun cream on. Remember, it needs to be a minimum of SPF 30 because that will protect parts of your skin that the sun can reach. Let's test ourselves out now. True or false? You can't get sunburnt on a cloudy day. So do you think that's true or false? It's false. You can get sunburnt on a cloudy day. UV rays still travel through cloud, so you need to make sure you're protecting your skin even when it's not sunny. Even if the sun doesn't feel hot, you can still get sunburnt. True. You can still burn on a cool day in summer. Are these children being safe in the sun? So pause the video here while you have a little think. What are they doing to stay safe in the sun or not so safe in the sun? Well, let's have a look. Let's have a look at the good bits. So the good bits are some of these children are wearing hats. This is a really good hat with a nice wide brim. some hats. These children are not making such good choices because they don't have t-shirts on. Even this little girl here has her swimming costume on, but her shoulders are out. She needs her t-shirt on. But down here, these are being much more safe in the sun. We don't know if these children have sun cream on. We hope that all of these children with bits of skin out will have their sun cream on. So now it's time for you to think about your poster. The challenge is to design a poster which could be displayed on the beach to remind people that they need to wear certain things and to look after their skin when they're going to the beach. You can read a little bit more information about this here in the Sun Safety Poster Design sheet. There are these things that we've talked about from the video. You might use this idea of SMART in your poster, about wearing sunscreen and wearing a t-shirt, a hat and sunglasses, or going into the shade. You can design your poster however you like, using all the information we've learnt in this video. Don't forget to make your poster bright and colourful. Don't forget to send me some pictures of your work. I would love to see them. Remember to follow the sun safety rules when you are playing out too. Have fun creating your sun safety posters today, and I'll see you tomorrow for some different home learning. Bye!